our previous video we have learnt about the types of tenses. So basically there are three types of tense: present, past and future. And we have also learned about the further categories of each tenses. Yes, there are four types of each tenses in which we are going to talk about today. The topic is present indefinite tense. Yes, we will talk about the present indefinite tense, its importance, rules and use, etc. So first, the tense is present indefinite tense. So it is the first category of present tense. So it is used to describe such as universal truth or facts or habitual actions which are goes in our daily life and daily use work. So first we will have to learn the identification of present indefinite tense, that how we can identify the type of present indefinite tense. So basically the rule says that at the end of the sentence where there will be the ta, hai, te, and or अथवा ता है, ते है या ती है. For example, Ram hockey खेलता. So here we identify that this tense is belong to present indefinite tense, just because that the end word is ta, hai, means that this is belong to the rule and identification of present indefinite tense. And here we identify that this tense is belong to present indefinite tense. So this basic rule to identify that whether the tense is belong to present indefinite or not, there will be ta hai, te hai or athwa ti at the end of the sentence. So this is the identification of present. So if we want to know the use of present indefinite tense, that where the present indefinite is used to describe the different situations. So first number is belongs to that to show the universal truths, such as if we take an example that ईमानदारी सबसे अच्छी नीति है. So this is just a universal truth, and if we want to describe this situation, we will have to go in further categories of present indefinite tense, that honesty is the best policy. So this is the example of universal truth if we want to describe any universal truth. So if we want to know the second use of present indefinite tense, so I will clarify to you that the second example is to show some habitual actions only belongs to present indefinite tense. Just we take an example that Ram hockey खेलता. That Ram plays the hockey. So this tense is also used to describe the habitual action of a person of a daily life, the things which are belonging to the person of daily life, such as that Ram hockey khelta hai, that Ram plays the hockey. That this means that this is a habit of Ram to play the hockey. So this tense is also used to show the habitual action also, to show the universal truth also. So now we come to know the rules of present indefinite tense. With the help of present indefinite rules, we will describe any situation which is going in a present time. So the rules of present indefinite tense is subject. So subject is necessary in all the tenses, as you very well know, plus verbs first form plus s or es plus object may or may not. So this is the rule of present indefinite tense. And now you will confuse in s or es, that where we can use this s or es in present indefinite tense. So I will clarify you that where is the use of s or es and when. So whenever there will be a singular person such as he, she, it, or any name or noun such as Ram, Sita, etc. So there will be used s or es with the verb's first form, such as, we take an example that Ram hockey khelta. Thus, in this place, this is a Ram that is belonging to singular person, and we know that in singular person we will add s or es with verbs first form. So we will convert into that Ram play s or es. Here we use s. Ram plays the hockey. So here we know the importance of s or es, where we can use s or es. So I will give you one more example where there is no use of s or es. So now we will take the example where s or es not added in the sentence. So the example is that when hockey खेलते हैं. So here the subject is when, that this belongs to they play the hockey. So there is no use of s or es because of the subject. Whenever the subject is, so whenever the subject is belonging to I, we, they, you, etc. So there will be no use of s or es with verbs first form in present indefinite tense. So this is the clarification that where we can use s or es with verbs first form in present indefinite tense. So now we will take some example and we will clarify that what is the basic rules in which we can use to design the present indefinite tense in our simple sentences. So if I take an example that, first example that Tushar खाना खाता है. So here we come to know that this name is a singular name, in which we have also learned that Tushar eats the food. So here we come to know the use of present indefinite tense, that how we can convert the simple sentences into present indefinite tense. That here we take that Tushar khana khata hai, and here we use the rules that that this tushar is belong to our subject and this eats is belong to our verb first form and added with s or es. This s or es just because of that the subject is belonging to a singular person. So the food is our object. So here we come to know that how we can use this present indefinite tense in singular subject. So the next example is that वह खाना खाती. So here we come to know that this subject is belonging to the plural subject. So here we added the rule of present indefinite in this manner that first there is subject, they eat the food. So one thing is very important in this sentence in which we have made that here is no s or es added just because that there is a plural subject in which we have also learned that whenever there will be I, you, we, they, there will be no added of s or es with verbs first form. So the next example is that वह खाना खाती. So here we come to know that this subject is belonging to the plural subject. So here we added the rule of present indefinite in this manner that first there is subject, they eat the food. So one thing is very important in this sentence in which we have made that here is no s or es added just because that there is a plural subject in which we have also learned that whenever there will be I, you, we, they, there will be no added of s or es with verbs first form. So now we have learned that how we can make simple sentences in present indefinite tense. So in this very manner, these are very easy rules if we will learn. So there will be subject, verb first form, s or es. I always mention to you that where is the use of s or es mainly plus object, and I have also given you the examples in which you will clarify your things.